Good morning children, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine. Okay, in previous class I have started the lesson for you. Today I am doing a poem for you. The poem name is Kindness to Animals. Kindness to Animals. So how can we be very kind to animals? So if we don't harm, first of all, we should not harm the animals or birds or the animals. So you have, I hope so you have pets in your home. Maybe you have cat, maybe you have birds, love birds, or you have dogs. Or most we have seen cats or dogs kept in the home. So how will you behave with the pets that are called as pet animals for you? That are called as pet animals for you. How do you behave? So you love your pet very much. If something happens also, you directly, if the cat or dog is not well, you take them to the doctor, you treat them because you are taking care of them. Even they love you. If you harm the animals, even surely, if you harm the animals, if you do anything for them, even they will harm you. So how should we take care of animals? So how can we show kindness to animals? By taking care of them. How can we show kindness? By taking care of them. How can you take care of them? So you should see whatever they want, or actually what they want to eat. You have to like in the morning, afternoon, in the evening. So you have to be giving them milk or the food, whatever it is, because they don't have mouth to tell. So we human beings have the motto. So if we are hungry, what we do? We ask our mother. So children especially, you ask your parents, you want this and that. But these pet animals, especially animals, they don't have mouth, so they cannot convey whatever they want. So you have to understand when you can understand them. When you can understand them, when you are very close to them, when you are taking very much care of them, you will be able to understand that creature, that is the animal. So today we are going to see what is this poem is about. So this poem is about the kindness what we are showing to the animals. So how we have to behave with them. So here, little children never give pain to things that feel and live. So here, the children especially we have seen the small kids or that is below or that is 5 years, under 5 years, or they don't harm the pets. So they take care much of the pets because they think it is a plaything for them. That is below 5 years and all. They think it is a plaything for them. Even the pet enjoy with the children also. You can notice there. So the relationship between the children and the pets is very nearby. So you can see they are loving to play with each other. So whenever if we give pain for them, pain for the animals or the birds whom we have kept as the pets, surely even they will be very angry. So here you have to show kindness to your pet whom you are taking care of. How can you take care of? I told you. So how you can take care? You have to see the routine, what they eat, what they want and all, by taking much care of them. Little children never give pain to things that feel and live. So here the children never give living things. That is the animals especially. They don't harm the animals. Little children, they don't harm the animals. They love the pet. Let the gentle robin come. So here the robin is a small bird. It will be flying very high in the sky. It will soar high in the sky. Why do the birds come near your home? Because they wanted the food. So what do you do? When you see the pigeons and all now nearby your homes, or when you have little apartments and all, you can observe what the birds do come nearby you. You can see the pigeons are more. The pigeons are more now because the sparrows are not in extent because of the radiation of the towers. Whenever you see the pigeons and all, what do you do? Whatever the remains are there, that is the breadcrumbs, maybe it is a chapati or the bread or anything leftover things, what do? You throw to them, you give to them to eat, or you give a bowl of water to drink them, because they cannot convey what they want. So you think that they have come to us, so you think you have to feed them. So for the crumbs you save at home. So save means whatever the leftover things are there, what do? You put for them. As his meat you throw along, he will repay you with a song. So what the birds will do, they are very happy. So you can you can just see. So 1 or 2 days you continue the same thing with the birds or the animals. So especially the dog, the leftover things when you put for that, the dog 1 or 2 days it will come and eat, and the third day also it will eat for you. And what it will do, it will stay near your house and it will be waiting for you. They think that you will come and you put the things to them for eat. No children, I think you have observed. So the dog is known as the faithful animal. Why the dog is known as the faithful animal? Because 1 or 2 days you give the food, it will stay near your home only. So it is a faithful animal. So you can see the robin. So what the robin did here? Robin is a small bird with a long beak. So what the children do? They throw the crumbs to the robin. So the robin will come day by day to eat the crumbs, and what it will repay? It will repay by the song. When it will repay you song? When it is very happy. When it is very happy. So you can think that even it is enjoying your company. Even it is enjoying your company. So little children never give pain to things that feel and live. Let the gentle robin come for the crumbs you save at home. As his meat you throw along, he will repay you with the song. Singing if were always spring. So you can see in the spring season the birds come and sing because the nature is very beautiful that time. So always you can see in the spring season the birds sit on the trees. It will be singing very beautifully. So here, and fluttering on an untired wing. So fluttering means you can see it will be soaring. Just it will be flipping its wings because it is very happy to see the nature. Oh, let him sing his happy song. So what the children will do here? So the children are very happy to hear the song of the bird, Not do this gentle creature wrong. So these creatures are very friendly with you, especially when you are very friendly. These creatures will be very friendly with you. They will never harm you. If you harm, so even they will start to harm you. So here what the point is about. So you have to show the kindness to the animals and the birds. So when you show the kindness to the birds or animals, they will be happy and they will repay with you a song. Or you can see a dog. I told you the example. The dog, whenever you put the food and all, so it will be wagging its tail and it will be back of you. Whenever you go out for walking or any shop, whenever you go, so it will be wagging its tail and it will be back of you. So it is showing what happiness, that it is very happy with you. It is liking your company. No children? So here, singing as if were always spring. So how here the robin is very happy as it thinks all the months are like the spring. And fluttering on an untired wing, oh, let him sing his happy song, nor do this gentle creature wrong. So they will repay with the song. When we help them, when we feed them, they will repay with us a song. So once more I am going to read this poem for you. Little children never give pain to things that feel and live. Let the gentle robin come. For the crumbs you save at home, as his meat you threw along, he will repay you with a song. Singing as if were always spring, and fluttering on an untired wing, oh, let him sing his happy song, nor do this gentle creature wrong. Okay, children? So you have some meanings here. Let. So you have to allow. Allow means whenever you allow the birds to be very friendly. When you don't harm, they will be very friendly with you. Robin. So I told you a robin is a bird with a brown back and wings. You will observe in your areas only, but not. It is not like sparrow. It will be having a small beak. It will be very sharp. So a robin is a bird. It will fly high in the sky. Okay, a bird with a brown back and wings. Crumbs, pieces of bread or chapati. So whatever it is, crumbs with whatever the leftover things are there when you put to your that is the bird or the animals, that is known as bread of crumbs. Meat means food. Meat means food. Whatever you eat, whatever you give to them, it is known as food. Soaring, that is flying high in the sky. So you can see the birds which are flying very high in the sky. That is flying very fast. fluttering, moving the wings. Fluttering means you can see the before it starts flying, it flutters its wings and it moves. The bird flutter its wings and fly in the sky. Okay, no children? Okay, did you understand this? Okay, next you have some questions here. What do children give small birds to eat? They give breadcrumbs to eat. What do the little children give? They give breadcrumbs to the little birds. Name the singing bird mentioned here. Which was the bird here? Which was the bird mentioned here in the poem? This was robin. Robin is a small bird with a brown, that is brown back and wings, which fly high in the sky. No children? Okay. This was your poem. I hope so you have understood. And now you have some hard words here. So the first one is children. 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 Next, gentle. 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 Crumbs. 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 Meat. 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 Meat means food. Meat. meat. Next, spring. 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 Fluttering. 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 Creatures. 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 Okay children, so this word is repeated already. I have written here. So what do you have to do? So this poem is there for memorization. So you have to memorize this poem, because in the next test I will be giving this poem for your FA4. So you have to write these hard words 5 times each in your homework book, and you have to learn that poem. Through WhatsApp group I will be sending the notes. So please don't forget to memorize the poem children. Okay, will you do that? Thank you.